At MTSU, supporting education goes well beyond the classroom. The Center for Educational Media connects educators across Tennessee through video production and professional learning, reaching students, teachers, and school leaders alike.
The Center for Educational Media in the College of Education is a program and a center dedicated to supporting the work of the College of Education, which of course is training teachers and practitioners to go into the community to serve people. And so we support that work through video production and through professional development. So the work that we produce here in the Center for Educational Media is viewed by a number of different populations. The primary population is working educators in Tennessee. What is so valuable and what we're proud of is that the work we produce is so valuable to our students because they have an opportunity to hear the voices of teachers doing the work they are training to do in the future.
And as that mission has grown, so is the space behind it.
And this is where that growth really shows. The entirety of Studio A in the Center for Educational Media has been completely reworked, and it was built by teams right here out of MTSU.
And turning that vision into a reality fell to the engineering team, tasked with reimagining and rebuilding the space from the ground up.
And so all this is built here on site, and the skill set that we have here is unsurpassed. One of the issues we had out of the design was the amount of real estate that this was going to take up. And in this, the only way to accomplish that was to make the walls and build them on a hinge. We made it a foldable set, so you can fold the walls in if you need access. And again, details matter. And in this instance, they matter a lot. I relied on my crew. And I can't say enough good things about them because they did such a fantastic job. We're very proud, and I think it's going to be a great asset to the university.
And while engineering brought the structure to life, production helped shape how the space would function day to day.
Our goal for a new set was to give something that we have options with. So not only for Out of the Blue, we also feel like it's going to be the sort of thing that many of the university folks will be able to use and hope that they do. The lighting board that we had could be considered an antique, and now we have state-of-the-art lighting and the board to support that. I am true blue as far as my outlook on this university. It never ceases to amaze me, the opportunities, such a wide array of offerings here, especially here at the center. It's a hotbed of creativity.
So whether a show like Out of the Blue or a campus project or something different entirely, this space was built to adapt. And that flexibility really comes from how intentionally it was designed.
And that design was led by an MTSU alumni, bringing a fresh perspective while still tying the space back to the university's identity.
I decided it should be neutral so that we could light it different colors, just to change it up in any way for whatever reason you guys are going to use it for. So it's not just what you see behind me right now. It can be pink and blue and green, and the colors go nicely on the gray. The logo was inspirational in a lot of it, but also keeping everybody in the middle and trying to make it a bigger space so that everybody fit in. You could do a lot of different things with it. It was a lot of fun meeting everybody and seeing how it was, because I wasn't in this industry when I went to school here.
From concept to construction, this studio was built by the people who know this campus best, many of them MTSU alumni, creating a space designed to serve the university community for years to come.
We are so thrilled, and we can't wait for Out of the Blue to be here and producing right from this beautiful space.
For MTSU, I'm Carly Sutton.